Libra, and welcome to your June 2022 reading. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you for choosing to watch. I really appreciate it. And I've surpassed 200 subscribers, and I'm so grateful and thankful for all that choose to subscribe. So thank you again so much. All right, let's get right to it. So let's see, Libra, what's going on with you for June 2022? Okay, so the message I'm getting for you, Libra, is you're being called to take a risk, not knowing how. Excuse me. Not knowing how it's going to turn out. I feel like this has to do with how you've been doing something. This could be in your career. This could be your lifestyle, the way you live your life. This could be your inner workings and relationships with people. Hold on. Yeah. For some of you, I feel like this is, yeah. Realizing that something isn't for you anymore. Coming to the realization. For some of you, this has to do with someone you know who you're around who has a drinking problem. For others of you, this could be you having a drinking problem, or again, partying, whatever it is. I feel like there is something that's unbalanced and overdone that you're realizing about yourself, your lifestyle, the people you hang around. There's some sort of call to change. Okay. I was just getting a scenario while I was pulling those cards for myself. Maybe you've dealt with a person where you've told before that, hey man, I see you going through this and through that. Why don't you change something in your life? Like, not trying to preach to them, but to just let them know because you've noticed their behavior. And I feel like if this is a friend or someone you know or just someone you care about, you try to, I feel like this has been more than once. For some of you, take what resonates. Where you support them and trying to make this lifestyle change, but maybe they haven't been successful in that. Or this could be you. Or this could be you dealing with a person like that and finally deciding you need to cut them out of your life, even though you really care about them and you're not sure how things are going to go. For others of you, and it's funny because I've gotten this message before a couple months ago and I'm not sure which reading it was. But it just seems to me like the Libra energy of late is really calling for people to realize who they have around them and how that's affecting their health. That's the message I keep getting for Libra. Whether it's someone you live with or you work with or your friendship circle, whatever it is, there's some sort of element of you needing to remove yourself from people's toxic energies. And it doesn't necessarily have to be substances. It could just be the people's energy. Realize that certain associations you have with people need to end because it's for your health, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically. And I feel like that's what you're called to move towards. And that's just the energy I keep reading in a different way for Libras lately. See what happens when you remove certain people, energies, environments from your life. Even though you don't know for how long you're going to be lonely, give it a chance and see how much your life changes. That's the energy I'm getting here. The Emperor and the Six of Pentacles. Your time and your energy is a currency all of your own. And if people don't respect that your energy, your time is valuable, then they just need to go. Do you see these people, this environment, this lifestyle working to your benefit in 10 years? That's the kind of energy I'm getting here. So I hope this made any sense. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.